Hi, I'm Pearl Dexter. I've been in the tea business for over 30 years. I was the former editor and publisher of Tea magazine and had a tea room at one point. Later went to work for USAID to Nepal, and now I'm here doing YouTube videos for Pearl Dexter Media. So today, most of my videos are very serious, and I'm usually a very serious person. But today, for St. Patrick's Day, we thought we'd have some fun. Well, this past weekend, I was talking to some family members about the videos that I've been doing on YouTube. They thought I was very serious, and they thought that I should do something fun like celebrate St. Patrick's Day. I was surprised to learn that his name really wasn't even Patrick. His name was Mawan Sukkot, and I'm not so sure that I'm even pronouncing that correctly, but he actually Christianized Ireland in about 500 and something AD. But the St. Patrick's Day celebration that we have today, at least in America, is not so much about the Christian aspect of celebrating St. Patrick and his feast, but it's about having fun and people celebrating their Irish heritage. And especially in America, because a lot of the immigrants came from Ireland and settled in Boston and New York and Chicago and other places around the United States. In fact, it was those Bostonians that probably had the first parade, and then later the very first official parade was in New York City. We pour green dye into the North Fountain on the White House lawn. And in Chicago, we put green dye into the water for about 5 hours. And fountains in Savannah. We, as a nation, have celebrated St. Patrick's Day for quite some time. And there will be lots of partying, lots of drinking green beer, which I'm not so sure would be my cup of tea, and probably not really any mention of who the man St. Patrick is. And did you know that it's not just celebrated in America and, of course, Dublin. It's celebrated in Rio de Janeiro, it's celebrated in Egypt, and it's celebrated in Japan. Oh my goodness, I forgot. My niece asked me if I would bring this to my St. Patrick's Day video. She told me it was a bunny. The ears look long when I hold them up, but I'm not so sure it's a bunny. Someone today told me they thought it was a bear or a dog. And if you'd like to comment, I would love to know what you think. Is it a St. Patrick's Day bunny, or is it a bear, or is it a dog? So I'm going to celebrate not with green beer, but I'm going to celebrate with green tea. I'll put some food coloring in my tea today. Wait a minute. On second thought, I don't think I could do that. I'm much of a purist on drinking tea, even Japanese green tea. I don't add anything to it. So I'm not going to add anything to this beautiful cup of sencha, because my friends in Tokyo are celebrating St. Patrick's Day also. Irish heritage is celebrated throughout the world. And all these things that I brought to show you, the tie, the hat. Let me see if I can put this on. My hat, my little cowboy American Irish hat. This is hysterical. I have never done a video like this in my life. I'm going to take my hat off, and I want to say, so I'm going to say, as the Irish do, sláinte, to good health, put the kettle on, and have fun on St. Patrick's Day like I am. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and until next time, cheers.